As we move into 2025, the electric car market continues to expand rapidly. With advancements in battery technology, affordability, and infrastructure, owning an electric car is becoming more accessible than ever. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 affordable electric cars of 2025, each offering excellent range, performance, and incredible value for money. The Nissan Leaf has been one of the most successful electric cars in the world, and the 2025 version is better than ever. With 214 horsepower and a 250-mile range on a single charge, plus 80% charging in just 40 minutes starting around $30,000. The Nissan Leaf continues to offer great value with a perfect blend of efficiency, practicality, and affordability. The Fiat 500 Electric is an iconic city car that's now fully electrified, offering an affordable, compact option for urban drivers. With 118 horsepower, 190-mile range, and 35-minute charging, starting at just $25,000.